The next step is going to be to create the main road. And what we want to do is we're going to select this object and we go to opacity and make sure it's at 30%. Right now you can see the main road right underneath this object and it's in yellow, and we are going to trace that. We're going to use the pen tool, which you can find here in the left sidebar, or you can use shortcut P. I'm going to start from this point, so just outside of the object, and make sure that it's in the second layer and click and drag. So click and drag to acquire the right angle, and make sure that it doesn't really have to be perfect. I mean, it's an illustrative map, so it's not an exact replica of the map. It doesn't really matter if it's not perfect, but just have fun with it and try to create everything just as you want it to. And if you mess up, either way, afterwards you have to retouch it a bit, so it doesn't really matter. Now I'm going to switch the color, because you can see that the fill color is gray, but we're going to switch it to stroke. Select the direct selection tool and select the road again and change the stroke weight to, what would be good? I think for now we're going to change it to 6. And we're going to change the color to a bit darker. And we're going to select the object that's underneath, so the map itself. And we change the opacity to 100%. So this is going to be more or less the road, but this is going to change either way because it's not perfect, and the landmarks have to fit in here, so it's going to change. Don't worry.